Hey everyone, Cody with the Recast team here. In this video, we're going to take a look at how Privilege Manager enables you to provide end-user self-service elevation to your end users without having to give them permanent local admin access. So let's pretend that in this demo, I am a end user and I need to install the Brave browser. This does install in the user context, but for demo purposes, we're going to install it as an admin. So once I get to this point, I am not an admin on this machine. So I don't have a way of elevating, so I would need to contact the help desk to get them to remote in and put in their credentials for me. So we're kind of stuck at this point. However, with Privilege Manager, we can provide our end users with self-service elevation. So if we go ahead and click on more choices here, we'll see Recast Privilege Manager, and we're going to get a couple of different options for how the end user can elevate themselves here. We could use an activation code that the help desk would set up and provide to the end user. We can use a local account that Privilege Manager creates on the device, or we could use our own domain account that would be elevated temporarily for the duration of this process. So we'll go ahead and just use the local account here, and we'll input our reason, installing Brave browser, and we will kick that install off. So here we're getting Brave installed without having local admin access on this device. That's just a quick overview of how Privilege Manager makes it easy for you to provide end-user self-service elevation without needing to give out admin privileges.